So I've got an American Standard furnace that does a standard call for heat. Down below, my relays and everything seem to be working. My ignition coil turns on to light. Occasionally it lights and will only stay lit for less than 10 to 20 seconds at max. Sometimes it won't start. I just cleaned the ignition sensor in the back left there and the flame sensor, so that's cleaned. But for whatever reason the gas won't start, and if it does it quickly kicks off. Like right now, it just started. But let's see how long it stays lit. See, turns off. No sensor code. A lot of our switches, I believe, are working correctly. So I don't know what is needed. Maybe somebody can help me.